Hey everyone! Today I have something really fun to share. For 1 week, I let ChatGPT plan of my meals. Yes, it told me what you eat.
As a fitness trainer, I need meals that are high in protein, balanced, and easy to make. But planning 3 meals a day? Ugh, who has time for that? So, I decided to let AI take over. And it was amazing. Here's what I typed. Hi ChatGPT, I'm a fitness trainer girl. I eat 3 meals a day and need 1,800 calories with 120 grams of protein daily. Can you help me create a balanced menu? The first thing ChatGPT did was give me great meal ideas, all balanced with my BJU needs. That's protein, fats, and carbs. For example, it suggested breakfast, egg whites, oatmeal, and peanut butter. Lunch, grilled chicken, quinoa, and roasted veggies. Dinner, salmon with sweet potato and spinach. What I loved is that it considered everything, even my dislike for celery.
While I tell you more, let's get creative. ChatGPT inspired me to make this.
I'm going to cut the letters GPT from these veggies. Let's make it colorful and creative. So, if you want to try ChatGPT menu by yourself, here's what to do. Share your fitness goals like your calorie and protein needs. Add any foods you love or want to avoid. ChatGPT makes it so easy to eat well. It's like having a personal chef in your pocket. Another great thing about ChatGPT, it adjusts the portions for you. It recommended I eat 40% of my calories from carbs, 30% from protein, and 30% from fats. That kind of precision saves me so much time. The best part of using ChatGPT is how easy it makes healthy eating without getting boring.
Don't forget to subscribe and share your experience.